more empowering YouTube video on organizing your life for success. In this transformative speech, we delve into the power of intentional organization and provide you with practical strategies to unlock your full potential and achieve extraordinary success in every aspect of your life. The first step towards organizing your life for success is gaining clarity and defining your vision. Explore your passions, values, and long-term aspirations. Determine what success means to you and set clear, actionable goals that align with your vision. Remember, a well-defined destination is the key to a purposeful and organized life. Organizing your life requires a strategic approach to prioritization and effective time management. Learn to distinguish between urgent and important tasks and focus your energy on activities that align with your goals. Discover time management techniques that resonate with your personality and lifestyle, enabling you to make the most of each day. A cluttered environment breeds chaos and hinders productivity. Embrace the power of decluttering and simplifying your physical and digital spaces. Rid yourself of unnecessary possessions, streamline your workflows, and create an environment that fosters clarity, focus, and inspiration. Successful individuals thrive on well-designed systems and routines. Implement effective systems to streamline your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and maximize efficiency. Develop empowering daily routines that align with your goals, ensuring consistent progress towards your desired outcomes. True success encompasses holistic well-being. Organizing your life for success means prioritizing self-care and nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional health. Explore practices such as exercise, mindfulness, and self-reflection to maintain balance and sustain long-term success. Organizing your life for success is not a luxury, but a necessity. By gaining clarity, prioritizing effectively, decluttering your environment, developing systems, and prioritizing self-care, you can unlock your full potential and create a life of purpose, productivity, and fulfillment. Success is not an overnight achievement, but a lifelong journey. Embrace the power of intentional organization, take consistent action, and let your organized life become the catalyst for unprecedented success. Let's begin by painting a picture of your life as it is now. Imagine your daily routine, your environment, your thoughts. Now, ask yourself, is there order in this picture, or is there chaos? The answer to this question is often the difference between stagnation and progress. To organize your life for success is to take control of this chaos. It's to understand that while we cannot control every aspect of our lives, we can certainly steer it in the direction we desire. It starts with the small things: your desk, your schedule, your inbox. These are the foundations upon which the towers of success are built. But organization is not just about tidiness. It's about clarity of thought, efficiency of action, and precision of purpose. It's about aligning your daily actions with your long-term goals. It's about knowing what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. Imagine waking up each day with a clear plan. You know your priorities, you know your tasks, and you have a system in place to tackle them. This is the power of organization. It turns your vision into a checklist of achievements. And as you check off each task, each milestone, you'll find that success isn't just a dream. It's a reality being built, one organized step at a time. So I urge you to take that first step. Declutter your space, declutter your mind, set your goals, create your plans, and follow through with unwavering commitment. Remember, the road to success is a well-organized one. Success is not a lottery, it's a puzzle, Organization is how you put the pieces together. So, design your destiny, organize your life, and watch as the picture of success emerges from the chaos. You can do it, and you will. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to join our community of individuals dedicated to organizing their lives for success. Together, let's empower ourselves, transform our lives, and make our mark on the world.